Every day, amazing black men and women, you, your father, your neighbor, work hard, carry America forward. Yet some folks target you simply for who you are. That is wrong. That is unacceptable. Hate against black people, and all forms of racism, steals our potential. It teaches some to hate, and forces all of us to carry pain that we don't deserve. So we say, enough. To white folks who stay silent when they see hatred, silence enables. Speak out, stand up. Protect your black neighbors, co-workers, friends. To black folks who've carried anger and self-doubt, you are worthy, you are brilliant. You're overflowing with potential America hasn't seen yet. Not because there's something wrong with you, but because racism is holding us back. To all who feel marginalized or unseen, know this: racism diminishes not just its victims, but all of us. We lose the genius, the innovation, the love. Let's change that narrative. If a black person breaks the law, let justice handle it. But to hate someone simply because of their skin, that is cowardice, dressed as competence. America claims greatness. Greatness isn't flags or slogans. It's equality, respect, justice. Let's put everyone to that test. Let us rise together. White folks, speak up. Black folks, embrace self-love. Everyone, individually fight racism and lift each other. Stop racism. Because every ounce of hate wasted diminishes everyone. America, we can be more than we've been, and we deserve it.